Thank you. Thank you, Red. Thank you, Brett. Thank you. So I'm Adam Tratt. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Haiku Deck. You can follow me at AdamTR, or you can follow us at Haiku Deck. How many people have heard of Haiku Deck? Okay, keep them up, keep them up, keep them up. All right, good. All right, if you would recommend Haiku Deck to a friend, keep them up, keep them up. Okay, put them down if you would not recommend. Okay, now if your hand is up, turn to the person next to you who doesn't have their hand up and tell them why you love Haiku Deck. All right, thank you, good night. So look, I know some of you came here for networking. Some of you came here to learn about cool new startups. Some of you, like me, came just to be near Red and his radiant personality and hair. I know it's true. I was going to do a demo tonight, but I decided instead to share with you some secrets that we've learned after a couple years of being in this startup game of how to be awesome. Now, of course, I know that I would be remiss if I didn't tell you a little bit about Haiku Deck. So real quickly, it is an iPad app. It's free. It's for creating beautiful presentations. Helps you focus your ideas. Thank you, Relaborate, for using it tonight. If you don't have Haiku Deck already, please download it and use it tomorrow to blow somebody's mind. It's free, yes. Okay, so first secret of being awesome, more awesome, I know you're already awesome, is don't be like me. That was supposed to get a laugh. You guys are a tough audience. Don't be like me. And the reason I say that is we started out as a Facebook game studio. We were trying to make celebrity-based Facebook games. And though we made a huge splash in the media with our initial product, we failed miserably. And that failure had a lot to do with the fact that we set out to build the next Farmville using celebrity licenses and completely misread the marketplace. And within weeks of raising our seed round, our whole business plan had imploded. It was in shambles. So we made a huge mistake. And I think the mistake was that we set out to create an awesome product. And really, it's not about creating awesome product. It's not about technology, and it's not about product. What we learned is that creating something great is really about how the end user feels, how you make people feel. That's what really people want. They want to feel good. They want to be made better and more awesome. So in our quest to create this awesome product, we lost sight of that. So now that you know our first little secret, it begs a question, which is, if you want to make people feel good, where do you begin? And I think for us, what we learned is the second secret, which is pick a real problem, a problem that will make people happy when you solve it. If anybody can solve this problem, I will be your customer. So having excellent solutions to unimportant problems left us in the unenviable position of always being number 11 on everybody else's list of 10 things to do. And that is not what you want to do. So that's the bad news. That's the second secret. The good news is one day something awesome happened. And this is Kevin Lenaway. He's my co-founder. And one day Kevin and I were in the depths of despair, having failed miserably repeatedly, having pivoted 3 times into a smaller and smaller corner, and having found ourselves at number 11 on everyone's list of 10 things to do. Kevin said, you know what really sucks? And I said, Kevin, what really sucks? And he said, creating presentations really sucks. And I said, yes, creating presentations sucks. Nobody likes making presentations. Very few people like receiving presentations. And the reason is that we're filled with these amazing stories and great ideas. But for those of us who aren't designers, who here is not a designer? My friend, the developer earlier, definitely not a designer. I love that course. I should probably take it. First, I need to learn how to write code. People who aren't designers are very frustrated with their inability to not express themselves visually in a way that looks awesome. So we, at that moment, threw away everything. We threw away all of the technology we had worked on for a year. We threw out all of the learnings that we had amassed, and we took a gamble. This is actually Kevin standing outside of the Tulelip Casino. Seems appropriate. Anyway, we took a gamble on solving this problem that we thought people would really, really care about. And I love the Elaborate slide a minute ago that talked about superheroes and superpowers. We totally believe that if you can make people have superpowers, then all of the great product will follow that. So instead of setting out to create an awesome product, we set out to make people awesome. We wanted to make our users better presenters by making it really, really easy for non-designers to create a beautiful presentation. And it was with that focus that good things started to happen. So, as you can see, I'm using a dog food version of our product. That should not be so tight. I'm gonna have to send an email to Kevin. So here are the things that awesome presenters, we went out and we did a bunch of homework, and what we learned from the presentation experts is that there are 4 things that awesome presenters need to do. The first is focus on a single idea, one at a time. Second is use powerful images. The third is use consistent formatting. And lastly, tell memorable stories. Now, we quickly realized that it wasn't just about customers. We had to make everyone in our little universe, the nucleus of our extended team, awesome. We had to make not only our customers awesome, we had to make the members of our team awesome. We had to make our partners awesome and our investors awesome. And as you can see, we still have some work to do. In this version, I'm making our layout awesome. Someone's tweeting a photo of this with the hashtag demo fail. Oh God, it's getting worse. Hold on. Let me try that. We have this great new feature that at least the problem went away. Okay. Okay, so let me just summarize real quickly. The secrets summarize. 1, don't be like me. 2, pick a real problem. 3, focus on people, not product. 4, deliver superpowers to your users. 5, the desire for awesome is universal. I'll end it real quick by saying we're hiring. You can learn about our open heads today on haikudeck.com/jobs. Tomorrow, maybe tonight, on geekwork.com. Yes, thank you. But we are based in Fremont. We're a tiny team. We closed our Series A in March and would love to talk to anybody who's interested, especially if you have developer chops. So thank you.